This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tanya Davenport. Let me introduce you to 30 Maxwell Lane. Situated in a quaint community lies a level and private cabin. You are nestled in a serenely wooded area that offers nearness to both Blue Ridge and Ellijay. This well-blended low-maintenance retreat boasts beautiful landscaping that showcases the natural beauty of the surrounding trees and scenes. With a new metal roof and newly painted exterior, you can enjoy the natural settings from the porch that almost wraps around the entire perimeter, or step down to the firepit location close to the home. In addition to the plentiful parking space for guests, you have shelter for your car under your carport. From entering this home, there's an inviting atmosphere for entertaining. The space makes welcoming guests feel welcome with the spacious open concept and crackling real wood fireplace. The cabin features updated tasteful touches of cabin wood walls accompanied by painted wood to accent the space throughout the home. The custom cabin trends invite you to stay. The well-designed main level boasts 2 cozy bedrooms. One of the bedrooms on the main includes an all-seasons room currently being used as an inspiring office space. Anyone can turn it into an inspiring space to start each morning. The upstairs master has plenty of space for all your necessities and a walk-in closet for all the rest. It will not disappoint. From the main level, follow to the basement and be welcomed to a chic design made for additional space to recline after all the outdoor amenities the nearby area offers, like Stanley Creek Fall and the Benton MacKaye. If being near both towns isn't good enough, the county-maintained road is scheduled to be paved soon. Basement bedroom is being used as a workout room. This truly is a home that people come to North GA to enjoy. Make your move before someone else does. For more information, review the details below.